Okay, today we're going to talk about how our seeds carry away. Once a seed forms, it needs a place to grow. The best chance it has for survival is to be in its own space, away from parent plant. So, because the parent plant are usually big and strong, this little seedling, if it falls right here, will die because it's in the shade and it won't grow to be a healthy plant. So the seed must go far, far away. If the parent plants and the plant like it are too close, the larger plant blocks the sunlight from reaching the seedling. They also soak up the water and nutrients the seedling needs from the soil. So even the, the roots, these roots are much bigger. So you'll take up all the water and nutrients while this one doesn't. This is why the plant's best chance is to grow is for the seed to be carried away or dispersed from the parent. A seed dispersed in a different way. Some plants gather their own seeds. The protective flesh fruit explodes to shoot their seeds away from the parent plant. So here's protective. It goes boom, lands far away. Other seeds are carried by the winds or water. For example, dandelion seeds have a parachute of feathery hair. They are light enough for the winds to carry them long distance. Many seeds are carried by animals. The fleshy fruit may attract animals to eat the seed along with the fruit. The seed may fall to the ground as the animal eats the fruit. If the seeds are eaten, the animal will pass them out in their droppings. The seeds may also hitch a ride on an animal's fur or feather and fall off in some new ways. So you might not like this, but things like birds, when they eat the seed, later they will poop it out. Right? From the poop, there's a lot of nutrition and warmth and moisture, so I guess the seed will sprout from these. Okay? The life cycle of flowering plants. Did you know that more than 80% of all green plants have flowers? The purpose of a flower is to make seeds that grow into new plant. However, the steps from flower to seed to a mature plant are not easy. First, the parent must make its own male and female sex cells. The male sex cell in the pollen must combine with an egg to make seed. The new seed must travel to a place away from the parent plant. Its new home must have the light, water, and nutrient, oxygen, and warm temperature that the seed needs to germinate and grow. Then the young seedling must live long enough to produce new seed. Most plants make many more seeds than will ever become adult plants. In this way, at least some of the offspring will survive to continue the plant life cycle. Wow. So let's start from the number one. The apple tree, right, goes to be an adult. Let's move this. And let's erase some of it, make it black again. Go back to green apple tree. Number one, apple trees grow flowers and bees pollinate the flowers. So there's a little flower. in the apple tree. The bees come and pollinate the flowers. The plant's egg is fertilized. The seed begins to grow. Ovary grows into an apple. So the flower turns into delicious apple. Okay. The fruit falls. Boop. A deer eats it. Okay, so the deer eats it, and then travels far away, and then he poops to make a big poop, and from it another seedling grows. And then later the seedling grows into a tree and repeats the whole process again. Wow, what an interesting picture.